Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's episode, I'm at the lake. I'm gonna be trying to fish for some bluegill on beds. Gonna maybe do a catch and cook for you guys. We'll see. So hope you guys enjoy. Our first cast here today. I see a little largemouth in the shadows. I've got a little rebel crawl. He seems to have no interest in it at all.
What are we gonna do tomorrow?
Carrie and Uncle Brad is supposed to be. Carrie and
What fun thing are we gonna do tomorrow? What fun thing are we gonna do tomorrow?
Real squishy here. But I saw something chasing bait fish up in the shallows, so maybe they'll go for my crayfish. Who knows? I don't see anything anymore. Oh, never mind, it's a bluegill. Hit it, come on. Man, you guys are thick, aren't you? There's something out there, dude. There we go. Got one. Oh, first fish of the day, little gill. Little gill. Not keeper size, but decent fish. You see him? See, bud? Alright guys, so that bank looks like they've got a little more structure. I'll break out the Senko over there and see if there's anything bigger lurking. It's too small. It looks like there's some bluegill beds over there, and usually that means there's some better sized gills. So if I can get a well-placed cast into there, we might be in business. There we go. Better gill. That's keeper sized gill. Yes sir. Hope I was recording for that. There we go. Good gill, guys. He's a really good fish. Show him to you real quick, and then we're gonna put him on the stringer and cast back in there, see if we can get another one. Hooks. Did I get that real far out there so I can get it down to depth before it gets there? Come on. I've just pulled that right through all your beds and you didn't do anything. You know, I was hoping for some better sized bass today, but there we go. No! That was a good bluegill, dude. Hopefully I might... Oh my god. Oh my god. That's a huge largemouth. Dude, I wish I had a Senko on right now. Oh my god, there's a gigantic largemouth. Little 4-inch yumdinger. Let's get him. Let's get him, boys. Come on. There's some really huge gills in there. There we go. Did he just break me off? Oh my god. After that last debacle, I just tied on a little curly toe grub. There we go. That's better. That's a good fish. For a gill. It's a big gill. Look at him. Absolute hoss. A little easier on the hook now. Hope I was filming. That's a really good gill. He's stringer bound. Oh. Brother got stringer bound. Last cast. For real. We're on. We're on. Come on. Come on, come in. God bless me. I said last cast and God bless me. Good fish, guys, on trout magnet. I'm gonna get this untied. Three good sized gills on the stringer. That's enough of a bag, right? Be tasty. All right, guys, we gotta keep going. Where does his siblings go? I mean, there's him. Kind of looked like a double species day. Did I catch him? Bro actually stole my trout magnet. There you go. He stole my trout magnet. So, last cast. Alrighty, guys. So we're back home now. We're gonna clean up our fishies real quick. Got them in a cooler pretty quick, so they should all be still good. Alright, we're gonna clean these guys up real quick, and I'll get back to you when I'm done. Sizzling. Yep, drop that one on the floor. All part of the plan. Grab the fishes. Cover up the grill. Oh, now we gotta get one of this one. Out the float. Out the float. All clean and done. Well, guys, that's gonna do it for today. Had a great day, caught some fish, had a few mishaps, didn't tie a good knot, lost a few fish, spooked that bass, but got 3 good bluegill. Yeah, all in all, it was a good day. So hope you all enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you subscribe. See you on the next one.